Welcome back to my class. Exercise 3.3, question number 2. Question number 1 was done in the previous video. You can refer to it. Consider the following parallelogram. This is the symbol used for parallelogram. Find the values of unknowns x, y, z. Now we'll be using the property of parallelogram. Angle B is opposite to angle D, so they are equal. Angle A is opposite to angle C, they are equal. Now, what is the relation between D and A? They are adjacent angles. A and B adjacent angles. B and C also adjacent angles. Measure angle B is equal to measure angle D is equal to Y, that is 100 degree, because they are opposite angles. Measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180. Why? Because they are adjacent angles. 100 plus measure angle C is equal to 180. So measure angle C will be 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. That is the value of x. Y we got, x we got. D plus A is equal to 180. They are adjacent angles. So we get the answer x equal to 80, y is equal to 100, z is equal to 80 degree. Same property we have to use and find the unknowns. Question number 2. A is 50 degree, B is not given, C is not given, D is not given, and the exterior angle Z. A is equal to C, 50 degree. A plus B is equal to 180, adjacent angles. So B will be 130. Measure angle X equal to measure angle Y is equal to 130 because they are opposite angles. So Z will be 180 minus 50 is equal to 130 degree. Now we go to question number 3. You can see parallelogram ABCD, the diagonals meeting at point O. So we get a triangle AOD. In triangle AOD, measure angle A plus measure angle O plus measure angle D. I am talking of this triangle AOD is equal to 180. Put the values. Y. Now O I have taken 90 because they are meeting at a perpendiculars. Okay. So this will be 90 plus 30 is equal to 180. So we get 60 degree. Measure angle Y is equal to measure angle Z. Y is here, Z is here. 60 degree because they are alternate angles. I hope the sums are clear to you. Okay. Now we move to the next one. Question number 4 also I have done for you. See. Then question number 5. Same properties could be used and done. Now question number 3. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if angle D is equal to angle B? In quadrilateral ABCD, angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 is given to you. In a parallelogram, sum of the measures of adjacent sides are 80. Okay. Here, sum of measures opposite to angles is 180 degree. So quadrilateral may be a parallelogram. Second, in quadrilateral ABCD, AB is equal to DC is equal to 8, AD is equal to 4, BC is equal to 4.4. Because opposite sides AB and BC are equal, so it cannot be a parallelogram. Question number 4. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measures. So you can draw this way. A, B, C, D. B is equal to D. Yes, it is not a parallelogram. Now question number 5. We have to read from the very important. Okay, I am reading the question. Pay attention. The measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. I have drawn the parallelogram ABCD. A and B are adjacent angles and they are given in the ratio of 3:2. So let angle A be 3x, angle B be 2x. If they are adjacent angles, we can write A plus B is equal to 180 adjacent angles and they are always supplementary. Hope you all know what is supplementary and complementary angles. Total sum of supplementary angle is always 180 and complementary is 90 degree. Write down 3x plus 2x equal to 180. 5x equal to 180. So x will be 36 degree. Clear? So angle A will be 3x. 3 into 36 is 108. B will be 2x. 2 into 36 will be 72. Add. Are you getting 180? Yes. So our answer is correct. Question number 6 also very important. Definitely will be asked in exam and test. Okay. So prepare it. Question number 6 I am reading. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measures. Two adjacent angles have equal measures. Find the measure of each of the angles of parallelogram. Any two angles you can take. D or A or B, B or C or C or D. Angle A is equal to angle B. I have taken angle A and angle B. A plus B is equal to 180. Why 180? Because they are adjacent angles and they are always supplementary. In place of B, replace A. Why? Because both are equal. 2 angle A is equal to 180. Angle A is 90. Angle B is 90. This is your answer. Now you can see the adjacent figure, hope, is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures x, y, z. Chalo, let us start. So you can see x is 110 degree. Measure angle O is equal to measure angle E. Both are opposite angles, so 110. EHP, chalo, EHP, this angle, and HPO, HPO. So this angle and this angle are alternate angles, so they are equal, 40, 40. In triangle HOP, HOP, measure angle H plus measure angle O plus measure angle P will be 180 as per the property of triangle. Put the values and you get the answer. See, question number 8. GUNS is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are same. 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. 3y is equal to 26 plus 1. Minus 1 becomes plus. 3y is equal to 27. Y is equal to 9. UN is equal to SG, opposite sides. 3x equal to 18. X equal to 16. Now we are going to runs. Parallelogram RUNS. Diagonals bisect each other. So x plus y is equal to 16. X, y plus 7 is equal to 20. So y will be 13. X plus y is equal to 16. Put the value of y and you get the answer for x. आ रहा है समझ में? Each sum 2 times you have to repeat. Now we are going to question number 9. In 9 we have quadrilateral risk. Chalo, let us start. RISK. ठीक है? Measure angle R is equal to, okay, you can take S also, or you can take measure angle R plus measure angle K is equal to 180 adjacent angles. So we get R is equal to 60. R is 60, S is also 60 because they are opposite angles. Now we go to clue. CLUE. Measure angle L is equal to measure angle E. 70 degree. Okay. In triangle ESQ, measure angle E plus measure angle S plus measure angle X equal to 180. Put the values and you get the answer. And then question number 10. Measure angle L plus measure angle M is equal to 100 plus 80. They are supplementary and NM is parallel to KL. So quadrilateral LMNK is a trapezium. Okay. Question number 11. In quadrilateral ABCD, what is given? B is given. B plus C is equal to 180 interior angles. So C will be 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Question number 12. In quadrilateral PQRS, SP is parallel to RQ. So PQRS is a trapezium. Measure angle P plus measure angle Q is equal to 180. So P will be 50 degree. In quadrilateral PQRS, R is 90, so S also will be 90. They are adjacent angles. Very easy. Exercise 3.4. Okay, we will see in the next video. Thank you.